Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a door handle on a GMC Yukon. This guide will help you restore your vehicle's functionality and appearance with confidence. You'll learn the step-by-step process, from gathering your tools to testing the new handle. It's a straightforward repair that can save you time and money, ensuring your door operates smoothly once again. Let's get started on this practical upgrade for your vehicle. Before we begin, gathering the right tools is crucial for a smooth replacement. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. Also, make sure you have your new replacement door handle ready. For safety, it is wise to disconnect your vehicle's battery. This simple preparation ensures a safe and efficient repair process, preventing any unexpected electrical issues. Now, let's carefully remove the old door handle. First, use a trim removal tool to gently pry off the interior door panel. Once the panel is off, you will see the electrical connectors and linkage rods. Carefully disconnect these. Finally, unscrew the mounting bolts or clips that secure the old handle in place. Take your time with each step to avoid damaging any components. With the old handle removed, installing the new one is a matter of reversing the steps. Carefully attach the new door handle, ensuring all mounting points are secure. Reconnect the electrical connectors and the door handle linkage rods firmly. Before fully reassembling, test the new handle's operation several times to confirm it works correctly. Then, reattach the interior door panel, and you are all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.